Hello, I'm Dr. Santiago Rodriguez, CEO of Loran Laboratories. We are in one of our farms in Hainan, a beautiful tropical island in the South China Sea. This, as you can see, is our aloe fields, and I'm going to demonstrate here now how to harvest the aloe leaf. The aloe leaves are taken from the base of the plant, and then we gently pull on it, make a small cut, and then the leaf is detached from the plant. Now, these leaves are taken to the manufacturing facility where we process them under organic conditions to deliver the most bioactive compounds to you. However, not everybody processes the leaves the same way. Some people, for ease of processing and for maximizing yields as well, take the whole leaf. They call it whole leaf because it's basically almost the whole leaf as I'm showing here. In that kind of processing, this whole leaf will be crushed in a machine and converted into a liquid puree. Now, as you can see, there is thorns on the leaf and rind or leaf skin that will be crushed as well together with the leaf. Plus, when the leaf is cut, it generates a yellow substance that you can see here coming out of the leaf, and this is called aloe. Aloe is one of the main ingredients of the yellow sap that you see dripping now from the leaf. The problem with aloe is it's a very powerful stimulant laxative, and is an undesirable compound to have in the finished product. Now, the plant produces this aloe as a means to defend itself against the injury that was made using the knife. Now, if we process the whole leaf, then we will need to remove this aloe, usually chemically. The problem with that, though, is that it will remove potentially some of the beneficial compounds that we want to deliver on the product to you. Now, some other people process this leaf and they discard the rinds just like we do, but in order to get the inner crystal, they use a process called pressing. And let me demonstrate this by initially cutting the base of the leaf, okay, just like that. Then we cut the tip of the leaf as well. Now this will be the leaf that will be fillet, or the inner gel will be extracted. So what do some people do? Some people remove the thorns just like I'm doing, which by the way we also do it that way. Okay? But then they take this leaf into a press, and the fillet that is inside is exploded out. The problem with that is the components that are coming from the rind, which is still oozing that yellow sap, will be extracted or pressured out as well together with the inner fillet. And that is not that good. So what do? We take this leaf and we actually remove the rind, just like I'm showing here. I have to do it carefully, I don't want to cut myself. Okay? And so, the rind is removed, and we reveal inside a crystal clear gel. Now, this crystal clear gel, as you can see, resembles a fish fillet because of its shape. And so people call this process to fillet the leaf. All right? This crystalline gel is very you can see, very slimy, and this slime is produced due to the rich compressed carbohydrate composition that this fillet has. We make sure that our proprietary processing delivers all this natural richness to you in our finished products.